Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Welcome back to Siddiq Jamal Channel sebagai sumber inspirasi dan juga motivasi harian anda. Sahabat-sahabat penonton, hari ini saya nak mengajak anda untuk kita tonton satu video motivasi yang bertajuk Lion Mentality. Bagaimana mentaliti seekor singa? Jom kita saksikan.
If the lion is the king of the jungle, how can he be the king of the jungle? If he's not the biggest, the elephant is probably one of the biggest. He can't be the fastest because that's a cheetah. He can't be the smartest. So he's not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest. So how does a lion become the king of the jungle? His mentality. That's the only difference of a lion and an elephant. When a lion walks up and sees an elephant, he thinks lunch. An elephant thinks run. And it's all mentality. Because when a male lion walks up, he may be outnumbered by a pack of hyenas, but I'm king of my jungle because of my mentality.
What happens when you're a gazelle and you're not being pushed? You're not being prodded. You're not given a reward. Nobody's encouraging you. What happens when you're a gazelle and the lion's not chasing anymore? You stop running. What happens when you're a lion? When you're a lion, it does not make a difference. You realize that if your family is going to eat, that if that pack of lions is to survive, then you gotta go hunt. A part of being a beast just ain't eating a gazelle. A part of being a beast is the hunt. It's the hunt that they're excited about. They like to see the gazelles run. Then poof, they take off. Because real lions like to hunt. They love the process just as much as they love the prize. And some of y'all just want to score. You don't like the process. You're not in love with the process. A true hunter's goal is not the prize. A true hunter's goal is to hunt. That's what they live for. They live to hunt. They don't just live to catch it. It's the whole process. When you are a true hunter, you don't go by time. You go by the gazelle. When you are a true hunter, you hunt until you get a gazelle, and you don't stop until you get one. And then you get another, and then you get another, and you get another. If you're going to do what you say you're going to do, be what you say you're going to be, you're going to have to lion me out. You a gazelle, you're going to come up short. You a gazelle, you're going to have an average experience. You a student, I need you in lion mode. You an entrepreneur, I need you in lion mode. You trying to lose weight, lion mode. You can't do nothing significant in gazelle mode. Nothing. Nothing impressive happens in gazelle mode. Nothing happens in run mode, give up mode, quit mode, scared mode, fearful mode. Nothing happens. Everything happens in lion mode like I'm coming to get you.
Okey, sahabat-sahabat penonton, itu tadi video pendek motivational video bertajuk The Lion Mentality. Jadi apa yang kita dapat? Sahabat-sahabat boleh kongsikan di ruangan comments. Ada satu benda yang saya rasakan, yang saya dapat sebagai inspirasi dan motivasi apabila saya menonton video ini. Lion mentality ini adalah satu mentality yang mana kita harus yakin. Kita ada satu keyakinan yang kita ni tak boleh lari dari masalah, yang kita ini mampu untuk menguasai sesuatu masalah, yang kita perlu berhadapan, jangan pernah lari, kita fikirkan cara, dan ada satu sikap yang dipanggil sebagai fearless. Jangan takut dan jangan takut. Ini adalah rumusan yang saya dapatkan daripada video ini, dan itu antara inspirasi dan motivasi penting sebagai seorang manusia apabila kita menjalani kehidupan. Dan sebab itu bila disebut tentang lion mode, jangan gunakan run mode ataupun beralasan fikir aku tak boleh, aku tak mampu, aku tak pandai dan sebagainya. Itu semua bukanlah lion mentality. Jadi untuk kita lakukan sesuatu, kita kena ubah, change our mentality kepada lain mentality. Okey, jadi itu saja perkongsian untuk pada hari ini. Mudah-mudahan ada manfaatnya dan boleh amalkan. InsyaAllah kita jumpa di video yang lain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.